What's up guys, it's TF Test channel. Today Meizu 16s camera test. It's dual rear camera here on the back side. Main camera is a 48 megapixel Sony camera. It takes shots normally 12 megapixel. You want to change pro mode, you get the real 48 megapixel camera shots. And secondary one is the telephoto lens. It's a 20 megapixel telephoto lens. It's up to 3x zoom without quality loss pictures taken. And look, the front facing is a 20 megapixel camera, and there normally it takes shots on the 8 megapixel. You want to change the pro mode as well as you get the real 20 megapixel shots. Okay guys, let's take some shots on the reverse side. How it's the quality, it's good or not. Okay guys, I'm take shot on the rear 48 megapixel shots without telephoto lens. Is a main 48 megapixel camera shots. What's your opinion guys? Let's watch the camera sample. It's a real 48 megapixel camera shot. What's your opinion? Your opinion comment in the comment section below. It's quality good or not? Watch now guys. Finally your opinion comment in the comment section. Thanks for the watching.